Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create tasks in IONOS Webmail. Now, once you're logged into your IONOS Webmail dashboard, come to the top left, click on these three horizontal lines, and then I want you to click here on tasks. Now, to create a new task, click here, new task, okay? And then you can enter the subject and a description. So let me go ahead and enter a subject. So let's say, for example, let's say investor brief presentation, and you can add any description you want as well. Let me just type in XYZ, and then let's expand this form, okay? You can actually have a start date. So let's say starting today, and there's a due date, say about a week from now, okay? We can do that. And now you can set to basically have this task going all day, okay? Or you can have it repeat. Let's say every Sunday you do the same thing. Maybe you update some entries somewhere, right? And if you want a reminder, you can go ahead and set one. Let's say tomorrow or late in the evening, or any date, or in 1 hour before it actually starts. So here you can set the reminder date and time. You can specify as well. And you can put the status. So is it something in progress? Maybe you already started it or you deferred it, right? So let's do not started, or let's just do in progress. And you can set your progress, your priority. You can set it to even high. If it's a private task, you can toggle this one. There's a task participant. You can go ahead and add them from over here, right? You just type in their name and get them here. Such, you just click on their name, okay? And you can add attachments if you want. Maybe there's files you're going to be using. Let's say the financial statements for that year, things like that. It will help you. And then all you need to do at the end is just come here, click on create, and you'll see your task right here. It's due in 6 days. Okay. And that is how to create tasks in IONOS Webmail.